back again, people. It's your boy King James along with Rich Kid. I don't know as I can see, back again with a mortal vid. I don't know, hoping you can hear it, both of us.
Yeah, man, ready for them, you know?
Ready for them a long time, you don't know,
Alright.
people. We're going to get into some casuals. Check it out, on the man. You want to look at one of them here in a DC.
That trade? Father.
Yeah. You might come back. Alright, Jackie out to a decent start. Meat grinder getting pounded.
What that?
Never mind.
Oh, I'm go back here.
He miss it. The killer miss it. Oh well. Alright, yo. Funky don't make meat grinder come back, you know. Woo! Shish kebab. Yeah man, that dead man dead. Jackie in the building, Jackie in the building, Jackie in the building, Jackie
Release
in the
check.
building.
You're supposed to be helping me.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, we take those, we take those. Ooh,
Yeah, now
Jackie's
back up
on
low.
fire. Alright. Wrong button input. Alright, no. Alright, meat grinder move different. What is? I try to female it box, you know. I'm to the entire dog. Alright, my then. Woo, stupid.
Don't jump again, you know.
I'm processing, you know. Yeah, my dead, him dead.
Ah!
Yeah, I finish.
Finishing screen, man.
Finishing screen. It's Jackie. It's Jackie. It's Jackie. It's Jackie. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, up the pressure.
Hey, up the pressure for a long time. Ooh, IQ, but IQ, you gone.
Alright, say my goal.
Yo, I bet you take over by the dog.
You see that?
And Warbanner with a jump out of danger and into the back two. And into the back two again. Ooh, he's mixing Jackie. Not taking any program. I'm gonna tell you, I'll just take over by the done. I'm gonna just take over by the done. Yeah man, Warbanner. I'm a Warbanner. You know that Warbanner. Warbanner means business. Yeah man. Why Jackie looking shaky in the
Yeah, Jackie, I get this tried.
Okay, let's see those kind of combos for Jackie. Ooh, it didn't come out.
Alright, I'm doing it.
Can Jackie win this one? Because it looks as if meat grinder means business. Mixing and mixing with the throws and the leg kebab.
You see that? You try to put between the stagger there. Can't put that. I don't know if I tell you.
Hey, meat grinder means
Can't put between the stagger there, brother.
Meat grinder means business.
How can I Anthony this is leather it? The new kit.
And the new headset, isn't it? Yeah, man. And it's fully sins in the building.
One dance team, you hear that?
I'm gonna tell you, say, one man team and I'm telling you.
One dance team.
You alone dance.
Fully dance, but not literally.
Watch it.
And look at that 46% damage. So, you can start them every day and every day.
Now say, see man a jump here, mad. Upon them YOLO jump the pan wake up.
I hold the man hold up.
Man, I know way more long, brother.
Don't maybe. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I just finished a while ago. The physics in the banana, man. Magabe. Alright, no
Yeah,
magabe.
try port, brother. Nah, come out. Probably she too slow or something.
Yeah, man.
All that.
Yeah, man. Like them days, isn't it? But this match seems to be very intense. Meat grinder. getting beaten up in the corner by Jackie. Jackie is mixing and mixing. But me grinder is poking and grinding. Back in the corner you go, Jackie.
You can't even jump.
And he's being pressured. Meat grinder is pressuring Jackie in the building. And it seems that Jackie is still under pressure by the meat grinder.
Jackie
should I say,
man.
getting grinded up.
Jackie get
fully.
mincemeat. Jackie get mince up people.
You might get chopped up like mincemeat by the Rami goat. No, for real, the man look like a Rami goat, but nah, stop saying it. Stop saying the man look like a Rami goat, brother. This man look like a Rami goat.
Alright, we switch.
Alright, bossy.
That lie.
And it's Flying Dutchman against the meat grinder. Meat grinder
Oh
starting
my
off
god,
with the zoning.
spam me, bro.
It looks as if Rich Kid is under pressure already. And meat grinder is not taking any programs. Into the schmixes he goes. Into the forward throw. In the corner you stay. Oh, look at that. And he got caught Wolfing, and Kabal with the 30%. Nice. How the backside is? That look like another dog. One catch out of mid-air, brother. Okay, let's see what Kabal can do. Kabal do a comeback with the magic pixel. Is this gonna be a calm? What's your feet wake up? Another bar. Oh! And it's a comeback by Kabal with the magic pixel. The magic pixel. That is just so insane, my friend. That is just so insane. One Mali team in MG. After the World Championship.
Oh, that's a cheer.
For the World Championship. For the World Championship. For the Olympics. For the World Cup. Even though Brazil will say. Back again. And it's Kabal. Kabal, the Flying Dutchman means business. But me grinder is still in this. Is this game settled match? And the Flying Dutchman means business. And he mercied. Yo, don't mess up in a dog. You see us in a dog. If you World Championship, it's in a dog. Jesus Christ. Yeah, if you World Championship in a dog, don't mess up in a. Yeah, don't mess up in a. Yo, don't mess up in a dog. If you World Championship in a dog. Jesus Christ. Don't mess up in a dog.
Don't do me a freak.
Don't mess up here. Yeah, the World Championship was saying to my youth. Jaja. Yo, dog. Yeah, sell much like how Germany sell their match against Japan. Yeah, my dick. Yeah, my dick. My break.
As well as regional activities. Now, these events seek to raise
Leg cover. Yeah, leg cover. Mars go feed.
to encourage stakeholders to participate
Yo,
in building
the man that's your World Championship people. Woo! The man that's your World Championship people. The man that's your World Championship people.
Watch it, don't pass it.
What's up with blaster?
On February 14th this year,
Yo, dance man, the panic in a dance man.
Come in. Now watch me break away. Fatal blow. Alright.
Assistant Chief Education Officer in the Special Education Unit.
See, the moment
Alright.
you stop time, I lose.
Alright. The school now, watch out if you wake up.
Emotional damage.
I tell you now, just roll out and stab up man and man. Him immediately hesitate like him don't know where he is. The same man just run down for you and murder you. You see it? You see him take too much money, him can't focus.
Yo, people. Come on, sell it. Man, they can sell out Jamaica dog.
Yeah, man, this good.
There's a run there.
For now.
Yo, man, they sell out
Mike.
Jamaica.
I Mike.
They sell out Jamaica
No
dog.
man, do the country
Yo,
proud,
sell out
man.
Jamaica.
Win that, brother.
Win one. You know, see, look. Yo, before you don't press something. Yo, the man look like a ram goat dog.
Bro, come on.
Man look like a ram goat. Yo, man, stop saying it.
The man take off that brother.